Feel good Friday mga kabisyo at kasama nyo pa rin hanggang ngayon tumatagos mula Tarakape. Naka-live tayo, Konyo Bicolano.
Oy, gagi pare, ito nami-miss ko to laging studio natin. Lalo na kapag kasama kita. The last time, may ka-date ka ba?
Wala.
Ito may papakilala ako sa'yo. May
Totoo.
mga harana sa'yo.
Actually, nakakatuwa kasi ang guest natin for today, mga kabisyo, talagang international.
Ay, totoo ba?
Hindi lang tayong
Okay,
dalawa.
I will leave.
Bye.
Kasi English na naman to. Oo.
So, sino nga ba, Konyo Bicolano, ang ating bisita ngayong araw na ito?
Alright, Love Radio Manila, mga kabisyo. Our artist for today ay talaga namang talented at siguradong ikaka-proud nating lahat. Like super legit and all dahil isa sa kanila ay legit na half Filipino.
Wow.
Nagbabalik na mga kabisyo ang Manchester-based band na DENOVA with their latest single, Healer. Uy, kailangan mo to.
Kaya nga, kailangan ko na mag-heal.
Yeah, their single Healer landed on Spotify's Fresh Finds. Talagang nakuha nila ang panlasa nating mga Pinoy, including mga Bicolano, syempre. Mga kabisyo, all the way from UK, pumunta pa talaga sila dito para haranahin si Robin Sena. Wag na nating patagalin pa. Live na live dito sa Love Radio Manila. Sabay-sabay, please welcome DENOVA! Hey!
What's going on? Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
Grabe. You know, I do have bias kapag mga long hair. So, nakikita
know.
natin dito very very aesthetic yung mga pormahan nila dito.
I know, right? Do you need fourth member?
Yeah,
I
come on,
can
let's go.
I can join them.
But of course, before anything else, Konyo Bicolano, let's have them being introduced to our mga kabisyo.
Absolutely. Yes, please introduce yourselves to all your Filipino fans.
Hello, I am Alex and I play the drums.
Alex.
Hello, I'm Sam and I play bass.
Sam.
Hi guys, I'm Kevin and I'm the singer.
There you go.
Just like me, I'm also the singer in my dream.
So now, guys, can you tell us more about your group? Like, first of all, why DENOVA?
Yeah.
Your name.
So me and Sam have been playing together since high school, and
High
we used to
school.
play emo music and
Right.
a bit of metal now and again. And then our sound changed. We met Alex, and we decided we needed a name that meant to be brand new, and that translates as de novo. But we changed it to
Oh.
DENOVA because it means to be a brand new shiny star.
I see.
And we were like, that sounds
Okay.
cool. Let's go with that.
Yeah, I mean, both of us are actually fan of emos.
Oh,
Yeah,
Yes.
Robin is actually an emo icon back in her college days, right?
We love emotional music.
I love
You know, that's
yeah.
why we really get that the Filipinos really resonates with your music.
Yeah. Moving forward, we heard that you just had your last show last night. And you'll be heading back to UK on Saturday.
Aw.
Yeah,
What?
tomorrow. Yeah,
So, what is your best memory here in our, beautiful country, Philippines, so far?
We've had two that have really stood out. So
Alright.
the first one was going to meet Kev's family in Cabanatuan.
Oh,
Cabanatuan,
Cabanatuan.
That was really special. We got to meet his huge family and try loads of different food, and they were all really friendly, and that was great.
Yeah.
And then just in general, playing shows to the Filipino fans, we've had a really good response. They've been really friendly, coming up and getting pictures and things like that. So
Right.
yeah, those were the two things for me that really stood out. What about you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd say the same.
Yeah, I was gonna say I would have to. I would have said probably the food as well.
Food.
Yeah.
It's
Absolutely.
So far about the Filipino food, what's the most memorable cuisine that you've tried?
What was that thing I keep getting for my breakfast?
Casino.
Tocino.
Yeah.
Tocino,
yeah.
the sweet meat.
Yeah.
Classic.
No.
That's your favorite too, right?
Right.
Yeah.
You got good
delicious.
taste. You got
Yeah.
good
Of
taste.
course, Kevin. What's your favorite moment here in the Philippines?
We played a really big show at House Manila, opening up
Right,
for
House Manila.
a Norwegian artist called Anna of the North, and the crowd was amazing, like really responsive. Like everything that I asked them to do, like sing this, they were like giving it 100%. Like there was times where I couldn't hear myself singing because they were singing the choruses, and I was like, oh, this is amazing. So we'll definitely be coming back as soon as we can.
Yeah. A lot of things
Yes.
happening, but still you guys look fresh.
I know, right? And they've mentioned earlier that they haven't slept.
Yeah.
Yes.
it doesn't look like.
Yeah, you guys looks fresh.
That's the Jollibee.
Yeah.
But I told you I had a quick sleep at
Yeah, you
Jollibee
did.
before.
Yeah.
I had my peach
Power
mango
nap.
pie. I
Ooh.
was like, right, I'll take a nap now.
Yes, so
Right.
that's the favorite food actually, not the tocino.
Yeah, but the peach mango pie.
I
Of
know.
toot. Yeah.
Okay, so now my next question is your vocalist Kevin is half Filipino.
Yeah.
So Kevin, Sam, and Alex, do you have any Filipino artists in mind that you imagine collaborating with in the future?
Yeah, we've actually met an artist called Enamare recently, and she is incredible. We saw her twice. Yeah.
Yeah, we've seen it twice now.
She's really cool, and a dream of mine would be to actually collaborate with Urban Dub. Because
Urban Dub,
Way
yeah.
I grew up on them when I was younger, and we used to cover their songs
We
in the
did.
garage.
Yeah.
All the way in Manchester, I was showing the lads
Wow.
like, listen to this. They're from the Philippines, so that'd be insane. Yeah.
Wow, interesting. How about you guys? Any Filipino artists you wanted to collaborate with?
We saw a band called Nameless Kids as well.
Mm.
And yeah, their sound was great.
Yeah.
Similar to ours a bit with the
Yeah.
pop rocky kind of vibe.
Mm.
So I really liked them.
And then if,
Yeah.
I'd say if we wanted to just go pure like showmanship kind of thing, there's a band called Gabba as well. Who,
Yeah.
Gabba, yeah.
Like technically, we were all just looking at each other like,
Yeah, they were
these guys
amazing.
can play. Like,
Right.
this is
Real,
like
Oh.
next
real
level.
musicians, not
Yeah.
like us.
Yeah,
We're fake musicians.
No,
No.
we're
any,
actually.
any more artists you wanted to collaborate with? Any more artists you wanted to collaborate
Yeah,
with?
Hey,
we-
don't pressure them. So we're
Just
really,
kidding,
we're really
yeah.
looking forward, having your music being fusioned with the Filipino music that we have.
Yeah,
Absolutely,
that'd be amazing.
absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
Filipinos are talented. But anyway, let's add some fun to our conversations. Let's have some game. We wanted to be this game more, we wanted to be more intimate with you. So what we're gonna do is a game about, yeah.
So we are going to give you some personal questions, and
Okay.
then it's called a thumbs up or thumbs down. So we'll ask if you approve it or you don't like it. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Let's do it.
now let's start with the first question. You can't live without your cell phone.
Yeah.
Oh,
We're
of
all-
course.
We're all slaves to
Oh.
that.
Who doesn't, right?
I need it for my writing.
Oh, so you actually write using your cell phone?
Yeah,
Hmm.
that's my excuse. Yes.
Amazing.
No, I do write lyrics and then record little voice notes, and yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that doesn't matter. For as long as you're a storyteller, then you could write anywhere, what medium you want,
Yeah.
expressing yourself and all those fun stuff.
That's true. Actually, I just want to ask as well, because some musicians, they have their own practice and routine whenever they start doing their music. So how do you guys have your routines when doing music? Let's start with Sam.
I think it normally starts with just an initial kind of concept, whether that's like through something that Kev's come forward with or something like that, and then we kind of bring it together and work collaboratively to
Yeah, we
bring
practice
it
a lot.
together.
We have
Yeah.
our own little studio space in
Yeah.
Manchester, and
Interesting.
we practice a lot.
Yeah, and then
Wow.
Yeah, like if you don't practice for even just a week, you notice it. Like you can feel it. Like I
They're
feel it in my voice.
slacking.
Just the way I'm playing the guitar, I'm like, okay, slacking.
Yeah, that's true.
You
Interesting.
just got to keep practicing. That's it.
That's true. How
Okay.
about you, Alex?
Yeah, I mean, for me, I enjoy adding the drum parts to the little voice notes that Kev comes up with when we are working together. So Kev will often bring something that's like maybe an acoustic guitar with a chorus or something like that. And then me and Sam come into the mix and I get to hit lots of things very loudly, which is obviously fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fun.
Yeah,
that's
another
fun.
one. This is actually from a fan. You tried or considered dating a fan?
Ooh,
Our comment section is
spicy.
going crazy. No,
Yeah.
Oh,
not yet. Oh yeah, no.
They are very professional about it.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Can you give us one reason why?
I mean, I don't know if
It's not the right thing to do. I
no,
guess.
not really.
Yeah.
Yeah. It feels like it's almost like an abuse of power kind of thing, which doesn't seem right.
Yeah, we'll go with that.
Very good, Sam. Thank you.
Okay, now let's move on to our next. You are a fan of sweet food.
I think you've got the answers
Well,
You said tocino.
Yes,
so-
tocino and the peach mango
Tocino.
pie.
Yeah. Any desserts? Any particular desserts that you love?
well, all day today we've been planning to get some caramel sundaes because you
Oh.
guys here you have the caramel hot.
Yeah, it's
In
not-
England,
know.
you don't
Don't
have
get
it
that in
hot;
the
it's
UK.
cold.
All right.
So we're looking forward to that.
Not very exciting, but yeah, we are looking forward to that. Yeah.
Yeah.
After this interview, we can go get some
Yeah,
sundaes.
let's do it.
Oh yeah.
Woohoo, let's go. All right, another one. You tried to ghost. You tried to ghost someone before.
Hey.
Yeah.
I don't think I have. No.
Oh,
Kevin!
Kevin, what happened?
Oh my
When I
god.
was a teenager, I thought I was the greatest thing ever. And I was a bit of a player, but not anymore.
Wow, you're a bit of a player.
No, when I was a teenager. But then I've got a girlfriend.
Yeah.
and
Quick question: Is this a
that's
Filipina?
No.
Oh, okay.
all. Why were you gonna fight me then?
Yeah.
We're gonna stalk you. Who's that girl?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's move on to the next question. You did something crazy for love. Something crazy.
Something crazy.
Probably, but I can't think of what.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think if I've ever done anything crazy for it. I've not like shaved my head or anything like that. So yet.
So,
Yet,
yeah.
I should
Yet.
Yeah.
say.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, I'd probably say no, not anything crazy.
I don't know. I'd like to say yeah. I'm so romantic, but
It's the ghosting.
yeah,
There you go.
just ghosting.
Okay, now that's the end of our game. So I just want to ask about Change. One of your most recent singles. So can you tell us something about your latest single, Change?
Yeah, it's just a really triumphant, powerful song that we wanted people to connect with. And it's about just being true to yourself and not allowing anyone to affect you negatively. Because people will always say things and you just got to learn to accept people will always just, try and put you down. But you just got to carry on being yourself and just embrace that,
Yeah, I like it. I mean, not bothering yourself anyway. Whatever the people around you tells about you. But
Yeah.
is this something that happened to you personally? Like the story behind the single Change.
Yeah, I feel like it is something. Sometimes people have said things to me like, "Oh, Kevin, you've put on weight," for example, or "Kevin, you've lost weight."
Yeah.
Like that's something that annoys me when people comment on how people look.
Yeah.
You should never comment on how someone looks.
Right.
Just keep it to yourself. So that was something that did come to mind when writing this song.
Right.
Yeah.
I bet a lot of Filipino, not just Filipinos, but the generation right now would relate to that. Because I just want to tell you that it's also Mental Health Awareness Month. So it's
Yeah.
going to be perfect to
Yes.
be celebrating that with that song.
Absolutely. I was just smiling as as you tell the story behind Change. I was just smiling, and I think that's the message that the youth needs right now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
And of course, we can't wait to listen to it right
Absolutely.
now.
Right now, mga kabisyo, live na live dito sa Love Radio Manila. Mapapakinggan natin ang Filipino pride na si Kevin to sing his latest single, Change.
Change.
They come for us, put a hole in the sun so the flowers won't blossom. It's called tough love. You say that you care, but don't dare be different. They dream it's over, like ambition just fades and can be forgotten. Enough's enough. Stay in your lane, get in frame with us. I will never take your love. If it's gonna hurt this much, try to drag me down like I'm not enough. You better believe I will give you up. I will never take your love. If it's gonna hurt this much, try to drag me down like I'm not enough. You better believe I will give you up. I will never change. I will never change. I will never. They don't shut up, So I'll cover my ears from the noise just to block it out. Forgive me, but I think that it's love, and I love when you're not around. It's never over. My ambition won't fade and can't be forgotten. I am enough. Your shade is a fuel and I'll light it up. I will never take your love if it's gonna hurt this much. Try to drag me down like I'm not enough. You better believe I will give you up. I will never take your love if it's gonna hurt this much. Try to drag me down like I'm not enough. You better believe I will give you up. I will never change. I will never change. I will never. Sometimes I feel like crying. Inside my heart is silent. Be strong and hope is gone. Sing louder now. Sing louder now. Sometimes I feel like crying. Inside my heart is silent. Be strong and hope is gone. Sing louder now. I will never change. I will never change. I will never change. I will never change. I will never change.
Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your music.
Yeah, I got
Really.
struck.
Same.
You know, the
Same here.
emotions. You're really emo when you were in high school.
Yeah,
I was
actually, yeah, around
I
it.
kind of started noticing that when you did in the middle.
I
bit,
felt
yeah.
really emo. I felt my fringe was growing as I was singing that.
Your
Right,
bangs,
right,
you know.
right.
Thank you so much for that. And we really can't wait to listen more of your music, you know, performing as a group. So can you invite our mga kabisyo, your Filipino fans, where can we follow you? Where can we get your latest album?
Yeah, of course. So follow us everywhere at DENOVA Band, and make sure you subscribe on YouTube because we've been filming a bit of a documentary whilst we've been here. So we've got like around 8 vlogs to post.
Yep.
Yeah.
We've also just today filmed a music video here in Philippines as well for the song Change. So that'll be coming out soon, so keep your eyes out for that.
Exciting.
Exciting.
Yeah.
Exciting.
Just
Exciting.
in the meantime, just stream Change on Spotify or streaming platforms. Yeah, you'll be able to find it on there.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
We'll wait for you to come back here in the Philippines. Any last words to your Filipino fans?
Message to your Filipino fans.
Yeah, thank you so much. This is our first visit as a full band, and thank you so much. It's been a really amazing experience, and we can't wait to do it again.
Yeah, you guys have been great. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you so
very
much. Mga kabisyo, I know you are going crazy dito sa comment section, pero maraming salamat kabisyo dahil sinamahan nyo kami ng aking kapartner ni Robin Siena para syempre kausapin na naman ang isang storyteller, international. Siguro sabihin na nating icon. Pwede
Kaya
ba
nga
yun?
talaga. So once again, mga kabisyo, DENOVA!
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much,
you
guys.
so much.
See you
Thank
again.
you.
We'll wait
Thank
for
you.
you.
Yes.